Hello there, just a quick video for lockpicking Paul and anybody else who's interested. Obviously it is my version of the Midland Bank coin safe. Penny, half penny, notes, half crown and shilling and sixpence and sixpence and half sovereign. My mistake, I thought it was farthing earlier. It seems to be a little bit deeper than lockpicking Paul's one. Very similar. Went through the same process of opening up. I thought I'd made a Low and Fletcher adapted one somewhere, but this is the progression of the opening experience. There's a small hook, etc., and ended up with a piece of brass. But then I'm almost certain that I made one out of an old Low and Fletcher key as well. But effectively, you just pop it in there and give it a turn. He says, there we go. And inside, this is why it's still in there. See that retracting the bolt. Terribly simple. It's a little slot where the notes go in. Obviously it goes back together the same way as it came apart, really. Just a little interest one. I've made a video for a little while. I've been somewhat busy. That's the understatement of the year. But yes, it's nice little things. Quite nice in their day. Just thought you show me yours and I'll show you mine. Be seeing you.